Hi everyone, it's Teacher Kim. Today we're going to be learning the sound of this letter. Do you know what sound this letter makes? It says B, B. We have to be really careful because we don't want to say B. It's not B, it's B, B. Two words that start with the B sound are ball and bus. Ball, bus. Now, let's use our bodies to help us remember the B sound. When I say go, we're going to make a ball with our hands and we're going to pretend to bounce our ball. Are you ready? We're going to go B, 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 like that. Okay, ready? Go. B, 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 ball. Now, let's play our sounds game. Get your pointer fingers ready. I want you to point to the word that starts with the B sound. Are you ready? The words are sun, fish, ball. Sun, fish, ball. Do you hear the B sound? That's right, it's ball. Excellent job learning the B sound today. I'll see you next time for the next letter.